Okay friends, today we will discuss about how to edit audio in Adobe Audition. I will teach you properly and I will guide you how to edit your audio in Adobe Audition in a very easy way. It's a very difficult software to edit video, but by the way I will teach you and guide you, you can edit your voice properly and you can make it very tonic anyway. If you want to learn how to edit video in Adobe Audition, please like my channel, subscribe it and comment in the comment box. Let's have a look, let's start it. Now look at there, I have all types of software in this times. Adobe Premiere Pro, look at in the bottom, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Auditions, and this one is Adobe Media Encoder, this one is Adobe Photoshop, and beside is a pointer indicator, and this is a Bandicam, right? Now straight away we will move on Adobe Audition. This is the Adobe Audition software where you can edit your audio and make it very tonic and beautiful. In this video I will just tell you about some basic steps, and in the next and upcoming videos I will guide you properly one by one. So I will guide you how to work on that workboard. First, you look at here default edit audio or video, then radio, then radio productions, and here you can see two arrows. Click on these two arrows. Okay, you will see different workboards. First one is essential video mixing. This is the essential video mixing workboard. Second one is the advanced mixing. Look at there. Some changes has happened. Yes, look at this. Here are some drives open. Here few boards open, and color selection is open. Next one is a simple editing. Right. This is the simple editing mechanism where you can simply edit the video, cut it down at the required level, and then you can make it easy and very tonic sound. The next one, the mastering and analysis. This is the dashboard where you can work with the different colors. You can give colors to your audio, so layer by layers. And next one is loudness. This is the portion where you can enhance the loudness of your voice. And the next one is restoration. This is the restoration area where you can restore your voice at the original level. And the next one, this is the classic version. Actually I'm using this version. This is very convenient and I like to work on this framework. So when you will open this classic version, look at here. Here is the window where different layers will show. Here it is a project window, and here by double clicking you can extract the video from your folder. Here your voice will be shown, and this is the timeline. Okay, got it? So easiest way to import your audio, look at here, go to the file, then import file, click at file, and you can extract the audio from your from anywhere. This is the audio you have extracted from there.
The car industry as we know it has existed for almost 130 years and has profoundly shaped the world. So far, cars have changed tremendously from horseless carriages of the late 19th century.
You can play from here and you can stop from here. Got it? This is the volume control button where you can control your volumes. When I will extract this, you will see this volume level increase or decrease. Okay, look at this. I will downing the cursor, volume is getting to be decreasing. Okay, and when I will make it up, volume will increase. Now you can listen now.
The car industry as we know it has existed for almost 130 years and has profoundly shaped the world.
So this time,
so far, cars have changed tremendously from horseless carriages of the late 19th century to today's sublimely fast and superbly comfortable models.
Stop it here. Okay. When you stop it, first you have a look at, first you filter out some noises and distortions at the back side of your audio. Okay, and when you will filter out, then you can see how your audio is better than the previous. Go to the effects, right? And in effects, you will see different options: invert, reverse, silence, generate. Okay, but I will mostly work on amplitude and compressions, and you can amplify your voice from here. Channel mixer, you can mix out your voice but I will always work on the dynamic processing where I will click on the dynamic processing. You will show this dialog box, and here you shouldn't work on this dialog box, because default setting is one of the best settings. You just apply your setting here. It will take time. It will apply on your audio. Okay, it has done. Go to the effect and now come at the filter and EQ. Here is a filter, different types of filters, FFT filters, graphic equalizers, 10 bands, graphic equalizer, 20 bands, 30 bands, notch filter, but I will always use the parametric equalizer. This will make your sound very tonic. Let's have a look. Okay, listen.
However, the biggest challenge of the car industry and car community is to switch from internal combustion engines to...
And now, once again, you go to the effects, and when you will go to the effects, then come to the noise reduction. Here, you can reduce your noise, but I will always use the option adaptive noise reduction. So it is better option than the others. When you will apply this effect, your noise will be reduced to 0 level. Let's have a look after 2 seconds. Okay, it has done. Now I'll play again.
Battery-powered vehicles. That being said, it's easy to see that we're living in the midst of a technological revolution that will change the concept of the individual.
Difference between these two types of voice, old one and new one. And the next, you just go to the defaults. Okay, and here you can mix it up your voice with a different level, compressions, compressor, echo side image, far away sources, different types of guitar delay, hip hop, vocal chain. There are different types of voices, but I'm always using the podcast voice. Okay, when you will click on the podcast voice, there are 5 types of filter will be used: denoise, speech volume leveler, dynamic processing, parametrics, equalizers, and hard limiters. Okay, now let's have a look.
Transport forever. The popularity of electric vehicles and their growing market share shows us that customer interest in electric vehicles have overcome the initial problems. However, even though more and more
previous one, now you come to this point. Okay, sixth one. At the sixth one, click at this arrow and come down to the reverb. Okay, apply the reverb, studio reverb. When you will apply the studio reverb, now you can listen again.
Companies introduced EV models each model year. The big 3, that's Chrysler, GM, and Ford, as companies introduced EV.
So you can adjust these volumes to the different levels. First, you can increase or decrease decay. If I will increase, then you can see. Listen.
Models each model year. The big 3, that's
the vital difference. Beside it, you can decrease this one dry and increase wet level. Let's have a look, listen.
Chrysler, GM, and Ford are still somewhat reluctant to jump on the electric bandwagon. At least one of those 3 giants of the industry. Today, we'll take a closer look at the big 3's electric.
So you can adjust it by increasing this one at the high level and this one at the low levels. and this one must should be between 35 to 40 100, and this is about 38.7. It's okay. Now you will listen.
Initiatives and see which one of these companies was quickest to react.
Once again, there is some hum is being creating. So decrease this one and also decrease this one again. Listen again.
Develop new technology and use the taxpayers' money.
Coming. So decrease this one around the 25
in the best way. Mind you, back in 2008,
okay, increase this one near to the 90 and decrease this one. You can listen on the
US government secured a massive bailout for GM and Chrysler to help them avoid bankruptcy.
Better than that.
Both companies pledged to invest heavily in green.
Apply this one. Cross from here. Apply from here, and it will cross from all about. So this is the final touch of your audio, and your audio has been edited. Okay, you can listen again.
Green technologies and a carbon neutral future. Over a decade later, the industry has changed. The car industry as we know it has existed for almost 130 years and has profoundly shaped the world. So far, cars have changed tremendously, from horseless carriages of the late 19th century to today's sublimely fast and superbly comfortable models. However, the biggest challenge of the car industry and car community is the switch from internal combustion engines to battery-powered vehicles. That being said, it's easy to see that we're living in the midst of a technological revolution that will change the concept of the individual transport forever. The popularity of electric vehicles and their growing market share shows us that customer interest in electric vehicles have overcome the initial.
If you get some knowledge from my video, subscribe my channel, like my video, and comment in the comment box. So definitely I need your support to explore new world, and I will definitely teach you better softwares in future when you will cooperate with me in sense of by subscriptions on my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching.